Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you are tuning into my channel, please do not forget, as you are watching this video, click the subscribe button. It is free of charge. No, only hana charge again one or free. As you click the subscribe button, also click the Father Christmas bell, the notification bell above, so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. So umune nabali anom na Aguiyi Ironsi Boulevard. I am in the Aguiyi Ironsi Boulevard road, the 6-lane road. That was on Ochonhono, the 6-lane road that was just finished, some months ago. You see how this place is shining, everywhere is shining, everywhere is glittering, my brother. Street lights and but in the course of making this video, we meaning on our too, meaning on you understand. But I still carry am like that. They drive, I still make a carry on, I go tower, make a show how this road be for night. When I say this road now, life don't dey this road now, in fact, people now, anybody who want to walk this road, even 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, the person go comfortably drive jeje without fear of anything. Because what I go, so uno kashwa no leru no this video down to the end. Help me watch this video down to the end. Maka him tradition na Abia towa e watara. Click the share button and share this video for me. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? One just press better, okay? Subscribe, but click it on the subscribe button. No, e watara click here. Thank you. So tell me what you think in the comment section. My course was 6-lane road this night. Sorry that I'm using Igbo to do this one, but this is Abia State. This is Umuahia, the capital of Abia State, and we are driving along the 6-lane Aguiyi Ironsi Boulevard Express Road, taking you guys to Abia Towa, yes. And when we reach there, we are going to turn, and I'm going to take you guys on the other lane, the other 3 lanes of the 6-lane road. If you haven't subscribed yet, one turn on that subscribe button. Is it when Jesus Christ come? That is when you are going to subscribe to my channel. Jesus Christ, Abia no ubu and subscribe on my channel. Don't give again it. Subscribe on you want Abia pigu. Thank you very much, and watch this video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section. Thank you so much.